Hey friends! Welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today we're going to draw Bart Simpson step by step using just a pencil. But first, I have a fun challenge for you. I've hidden some tiny kittens throughout this video. Can you find them all? Let me know in the comments how many you spot by the end. Alright, let's get started with the drawing. First, we draw a basic shape as a foundation. It looks kind of like a can or a cylinder. Using simple shapes like this is super important because it helps keep our proportions correct and makes the drawing process much easier. Next, we add two guidelines, one vertical and one horizontal, right in the center of our shape. These lines will help us place Bart's facial features correctly. Remember, don't press too hard with your pencil so it's easy to erase later. Now, let's draw Bart's eyes. His eyes are two big circles, and inside each one, we'll add a small black dot for his pupils. Time for the nose. Bart's nose is pretty unique. It's just a curved line that connects directly to one of his eyes. A simple but expressive feature. Next, let's draw his mouth. In this drawing, Bart is going to have a big smile because, well, he's always up to something fun or mischievous. Fun fact, did you know Bart's full name is Bartholomew Jojo Simpson? Also, in the early sketches of The Simpsons, his hair had even more spikes than it does now. Speaking of hair, let's draw it now. Bart's spiky hair is one of his most recognizable features. It looks like small mountain peaks lined up across his head. Finally, let's add his ears, which are very simple rounded shapes. And that's it. Now, if you want to make your drawing look even better, you can outline it with a pen or marker. But if you're keeping it as a pencil sketch, just make sure to go over the final lines and erase the guidelines. And here's the final result. Our very own Bart Simpson. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing drawing tutorials and tell me which character you'd like to see next. God bless you all, and I'll see you in the next video.